How Excel recognizes dates. The first thing to note is that Excel recognizes date as numbers. For example, today's date of 21st September 2024 is recognized as number 45,556. The following this logic, yesterday's date was 45,555 and tomorrow's date is recognized as 45,557. The first date in Excel is 1st January 1900 and the last date Excel can recognize is December 31st, 1999. So here is an example. Let's see it in practical. So let me copy this entire data here, date here and paste it here. And the moment I select everything, right click and format cell, I select general and click OK. Now you can see the first date Excel which can recognize is 10/19/00. The Excel date is 1 and the last date Excel can recognize is 31/12/9999. So here is the date number and today's date you can see the number is 45,556 like yesterday's date was 45,555 and tomorrow's date is 545,557. So let's copy this number and paste it here. I just make it from 65 to 66, press enter, and if I make it right click, format cell, and if I select date, you can see here Excel doesn't recognize. Thank you.